the 2016 Hyundai Elantra. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is still under 75,000 kilometers. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. Hyundai infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, an outside temperature display, and a split folding rear seat. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Hyundai ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.